This is what the finished Adore Me intercom system with doorbell looks like. This is a portable and compact intercom system with doorbell. It can be used to converse with visitors. After assembling this kit, you will learn about the monolithic integrated audio amplifier, cascade amplifier, and wired communication. This is the calling tone circuit. This is the conversation circuit. These are the speaker cum microphones. This is the power on LED. This is the push pull switch. And this is the doorbell. Adjust the push pull switch to position 2. The calling circuit would normally be placed outside the door and the conversation circuit inside the room. Connect the 9-volt battery to the battery socket. The red power on LED must glow. You might hear a buzz sound occasionally. Press the doorbell on the calling circuit. You must hear a bell from speaker 1 connected to the conversation circuit. The circuit works in two modes, conversation mode and listening mode. Since the speakers act as a speaker as well as a microphone, the push-pull switch determines their functionality. When the switch is in position 2, speaker 2 connected to the calling circuit acts as a microphone and speaker 1 connected to the conversation circuit acts as a speaker. When the switch is in position 1, the exact vice versa happens. When a visitor comes knocking at the door, they can press the doorbell to announce their presence. The resident hears the doorbell from speaker 2 and presses the switch such that he or she is able to talk or listen to the visitor.